Everyone, a key idea about AGIF exercise. A AGIF exercise works in two modes or two ways. One is our internal representation and second is our physiology. So what does this AGIF exercise and how does it works? So that AGIF exercise is that by using this AGIF exercise we can change our state of mind. We can change our state of mind in a very quick manner. So with this kind of exercising of AGIF we can do or complete our many of our tasks at our hand. So one is our internal representation. So for example, we want to complete something and we are not feeling that much confident enough. So by using this internal representation or changing the internal representation, we can change our state of mind. So what is the internal representation is that what we see about that thing inside the mind, what we hear about that thing inside the mind, and what we feel about that thing inside the mind. So these three things makes an internal representation. So for example, there is something you want to accomplish but you are not feeling confident. So just inside your mind's eye, just see that thing that I am confident enough to do that thing. And second is hear some voices in your mind that I am confident enough to do or complete that thing. Third is feel the emotions of confidence that I am confident enough to complete this thing right now. With this kind of changing our internal representation with this three visual and auditory and kinesthetic mode, we can change our internal representation and we can complete many of our tasks at hand. Second is our physiology. By changing the physiology, we can change our internal state of mind. So how we use this AGIF exercise by using the physiology is that one thing is just act as if I am confident. Act as if I were confident. Second, have some kind of breathing as if I am confident, as if I were confident. Third is by changing our inner voice. So have some kind of inner voice or internal voice as if I am confident enough. Fourth is have some kind of facial expressions that represent that I am confident enough. So by accessing our physiology in this manner and by changing our physiology in this manner, we can change our state of mind in a very quick manner, because many of our fears or anxieties are inculcated in us through our body. So these fears are encoded in us, in our body or in our physiology. So by changing our physiology, we can come out or overcome from many of fears, and we can build a image of confidence inside our mind. So with this kind of exercising of AGIF, we can change our state of mind. For example, confidence, peace, happiness, and any kind of like you want to have a state of mind, so you can bring that state of mind with that kind of exercising. So do this exercise while you want to do something and you are not feeling that much inner peace, inner confidence and inner happiness. So in a very quick manner, using AGIF exercise, we can inculcate many of our expressions like I am confident enough, and we can complete our many of our tasks at hand. Thank you everyone.